Welcome back to Pentagram Prime. Today's episode we will be evaluating the series summation from n equals 1 to infinity of -1 to n minus 1 divided by n factorial. And we'll be determining if it's convergent, divergent, or conditionally convergent. So we'll start by taking the limit of a sub n plus 1 divided by a sub n, absolute value of course. And what we get over here is, of course, a -1 term, -1 to the n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1 factorial. And somewhere in the bottom, just -1 to n minus 1 divided by n factorial. So this is absolute value, so we don't have to worry about the -1 terms. They disappear. And then we're left with n factorial divided by n plus 1 factorial. And then over here, inside the absolute value, we factor out n factorial. And what we're ultimately left with is the absolute value of the limit of, the limit of n, the absolute value of 1 divided by n plus 1 as n approaches infinity. And I think I took artistic liberties with a box here, but that limit equals 0, therefore the series is, ta-da, absolutely convergent. So it converges, its absolute value converges, and not much more to say about that. So, were you expecting a longer lesson or something remotely resembling an interesting problem? Hell no. I get caught up on, sorry, need another cup. Yeah, I get caught up on my production schedule. You know, I spent a full week on episode 19, and so far I haven't gotten a single view. So, there's your weekly problem, akin to a weekly blowjob in an otherwise loveless marriage. So, are you gonna like, subscribe? No? Alright. Well, this is Pentagram Prime saying, then.